Cat Girl Downloader. Weeb Radio. I might have to cut this out the video. Alright, I have no clue what we're gonna be walking into here. Oh, okay. Yo! What the heck is this? Twin? Okay. Alright, let's just do this one. And we're just sitting here. Oh! Okay, we're here. Oh! Okay. Do we really want to go through the process of installing this thing? We've got a nice live CD here, so we're just gonna work off this for now. We have a simple GNOME setup. Can we get VMware tools on here by any chance? Install. It's no longer. Of course it's not. Let's just copy this. Updates are out of date. Wow, can you believe that? Well, that doesn't even make any sense. How are the updates? So the thing that makes your computer new, that's supposed to make it new again, is not new. So you need to update the update so your computer can be newer. Okay, let's just fire up a terminal. Okay, there's a console, terminal, in Kitty. What? There's 3? Okay, let's just, I forgot how to use wget. I'm just gonna, okay, of course. Shouldn't Linux ship with, like, VM support built in? Linux did that. Anyways, let's just see what we got here. We're gonna have to excuse the low FPS. So we got a calendar. Okay, pretty simple stuff here. You know, I like the UI. Feels very good. I like the coloring here. Just click make a new event. Pretty sweet. Then we got the File Explorer. This is just the additional GNOME Explorer with some pretty sweet icons. I'm really digging these a lot. Software. This is just the GNOME store. And well, I think all these apps are just pre-installed, I believe, what the checkmark means. Then we got Firefox. I'm expecting this to just be just plain old Firefox. I'm gonna check the version. If you know, you know. 148. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's good, right? Latest version of Fire. Oh, I forgot. I turned off networking on here, so I can't Google that. We got the installer, trash. Now let's have a close look. We got clock, weather. I'm gonna have a quick look at weather here. It's probably not gonna work because I have no networking. Clock. Very simple clock app. Maps. No map, but it seems like it's just an open source map software powered by OpenStreetMap. Got a calculator. All this is just basic GNOME stuff. So I'm just going to skip past it because if you've ever used the GNOME system, you've used a lot of these. So this one I actually kind of trust a bit. I recognize it. And I know it's not as dangerous as the other ones in here. So I'm going to give it access to networking. I'm going to install this so we can actually have a nice little peek at it because I am not feeling this low FPS. We're going to reboot with networking. What is my name? Well, of course my name is Rick Heisler. That's me. Rick-VMware Virtual Platform. What a computer name, chat. Yo, bro, hop on the VMware Virtual Platform with me real quick. Choose a password to keep your account safe. 1234. 1234. Use the same password of the administrator account. Obviously, we want that, right? We want the administrator account to have 1234. That's what OnWorks use. They use 12345. So maybe OnWorks is a bit more secure than us, but if OnWorks is using it, it's a pretty secure password, if I'm being honest. All right, so let's go ahead and let's just go ahead and let's install this operating system. Oh my god. What is this banner, bro? I should have just done the MacBook VR video. One guy wanted that. I couldn't have made that guy's day, but here I am installing Nyarch Linux. Ay. Alright, chat. We are booting Nyarch Linux, and I have enabled networking. What have I installed? Let's just log in as Heisler. Okay, oh my god. Welcome to Nyarch. I'm not even reading that, okay. Material U. Let's have a look at this. This actually seems kind of interesting. Alright, we got some options here. Let's go with this one. How can I put the dock on the side like that? Because I'm really digging that. Nyarch Customize. Change your layout quickly and customize animations and appearance. You may have noticed that, unfortunately, installing the OS, it still kind of looks dog. So I guess just gonna have to work with that for now. What is this? Top panel? Bottom? No, I clicked bottom panel. Oh. Oh! Okay, that's just Windows. Top panel with menu. I like this. I like this. But why is this dock still here? And we got theming. Material Uwu. That's one of the names of all time. Color theming. Let's turn that on. Or no, let's do Material Uwu, I guess. Wobbly windows. We want that. We want magic lamp. We want desktop cube. We want system tray. GNOME tweaks. Okay, next. Next. We're not even going to talk about that. Okay. What? Weeb radio? What the hell? They have that. Since when? I think, honestly, you've got a pretty good suite of apps built in. Neo Fetch. They made their own version of Neo Fetch. Oh my god. Alright, so let's just dig in. Look at that window. That's glorious. That's just glorious. I like that. Alright. So, a lot of these apps, I'm not gonna check it all, they're just standard software. I wanna see the highlights, okay? Let's start with this, the Nyarch Assistant. Okay. So, get the walkthrough. Let's choose my favorite AI language model. Demo API, local model, Olama instance, Grok, Google Gemini API, OpenAI API. Let's just go with the demo API. All right. Oh, whoa! Okay, just open the Firefox tab. Document Analyzer. Read documents if unsupported. Documents folder. Text to speech, translate, speech to text, IMAX, speech to text, wake word. Okay, this is kind of cool. You can set a wake word. Why is this? Why do they put so much effort into this? You have edge text to speech, all these options here. There's extensions for this? Well, there's no need to do all this, bro. Hello, Nyarch. Did it? It just wrote code. What? I mean, if the code works. Oh! Okay.
Hello. It's not like I'm happy to see you or anything. I was just, checking if your system was working properly. Yeah, that's it. So, what do you need help with? It's not like I'm eager to assist or anything. I just happen to be really good with Arch Linux, is all. Got any questions about packages, configuration, or, anything? Not that I care.
I might have to cut this out the video. I might just delete this entire operating system, because what the heck is this? What was the point of it, like, executing this code? Okay, I'm just gonna ask it, how can I personalize my system? That's a very, very simple question. Alright? Let's just ask it that. Okay, it can even use tools. It's using tools. This is a chatbot made for an anime operating system, a joke operating system, a clone of Arch Linux, and they put an AI. This is agentic, and they put an AI that can use tools into it. There is no need to do all that. And what is it running? What? Why is it always using the terminal? Is there like some kind of system prompt they added where it always has to use the terminal? What? Okay, what is this? Skip? Yeah, just skip. Okay, it's still searching. Oh my. Am I using freaking Perplexity or something, bro? What did I just do? I can edit the tool call? What the heck? This is better than Apple AI. This is taking way too long. Look at how many... Just maximize this. I like that maximize animation. So is this is its final output. Let's run this. Quick, no personalization guide. It's still going? Yo, bro, you just get you can just spit it out at this point. What the heck? This freaking Pac-Man have your tongue? Whatever. Okay, GNOME tweaks. Okay. This is pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. So let's look at all of our apps. What else do we have? Cat Girl Downloader. I think everybody already knows what this is going to do. Let's fire it up. Yep. I mean, it does what it says on the tin. And then you got this too. Wasn't this like... Oh my... Okay. We're just gonna close this. We're just gonna get that out of here. But wasn't that like a separate app it used to be? The waifu downloader? I watched a video on this. That's how I know about it. A lot of interesting software. We even got an updater here. I mean, this is very, very good software. I'm gonna check out what this is. Okay, so this is just like a really easy way to do maintenance on the system. This is it's very extremely user-friendly, everything. If this wasn't like an Uwu thing, I would actually like probably daily drive this operating system because they went all in on this. You can even preview the updates you're going to do. You just hit this and you have your updates. You're going. This is amazing software. I love this. I love this a lot.